So these are the Jupiter squared LX glasses, and we will show you how to take out the lenses and put them back in. So to take out the lenses, you pull apart both sides of the frame and push out each lens with your thumbs. So pull and push. The lenses should pop out fairly easily. Next, we are going to reinstall the lenses. So you take the right side of the frame with the right side of the lens, and you ever so slightly push in the lens and into the groove. Now, more than half of the lens should fit in the grooves. And you take your thumb and push 2 fingers up and slide in the corners of the lens. So you take the corresponding side of the lens in the frame and slide it in, and then push with 2 fingers at the bottom of the lens and your thumb and push the other corners in.